How to create a 3-layer video in which the videos are all playing together in a 3-layer format. And this is going to be using the YouCut video editor app for Android devices. Be sure to have the latest update of 2025, and let's get started. To get started with your 3-layer video, you first need to go ahead and start with your base video. So start with new project and find the video that you want to be your base video or the main video. And in my case, I'll simply just go ahead with this one here. And you can always long press the video to know what the video looks like. And go ahead and insert it. Now just keep in mind that this is gonna always work best when all the videos are within the same format or aspect ratio. For example, if it's a vertical video, then you should have the others in a vertical video so that they can blend in very well. Now, once you have your first video, go ahead now and add that other video that you want to create 2 layers with. So to do this, go over to where it says PIP right here, this tool here, and tap on it. Once you do this, you'll be able to browse for that video that you want to add. And for me, I'll just go ahead with this video just to show you how this all works. Again, long press it and select it once. It's going to appear like this here, in which you can see it appear like that. And you can choose to move it around or adjust it how you want. Or with the tools selected there, shown there, you'll browse over until you see fill. This is gonna fill up the entire video frame with this video that you just inserted. And you can start working with the mask tool to start separating your videos with the layers. So once it's like this, and once the tools are shown here, if you don't see these tools, just make sure you have that video selected. Notice when I tap on it, these tools will show up here. And you're going to where it says mask. Once you get into the mask section, you wanna use the line one. This is always your best bet for creating 3-layer videos. Once you do this, you'll see this here like that, this line right here that shows up in the middle of the video that you're currently editing. You can choose to rotate it by pulling on this here and place it how you want it to be. Then you can pull on the very center of the yellow line to place where the line is going to be for your masking. All right, so with the pen, it's going to be a bit hard, but once you have it controlled like this here, you can now have it separated either way you want it to be. So I'll place this one here like that. You can also use the feather option, which will have it fade in or blend in with the first video. And you'll notice how that starts to fade in. Notice how it fades in with it. All right. And you press the check mark now, and we'll go ahead and add our third video. And you can either go here to where it says add, or if you're out of this section, go back to PIP and add your last video. It will appear here, same thing, browse over for fill. And once you have it expanded like this here to fill up the entire video frame, make sure you select the video and look for mask, and you will select the line option and do the same again, and you can place it how you want it to show up, which part you want of that video you just inserted to show up. And then you'll just go ahead now and do this. Let's bring up that line there and just kind of have it fade into it. Once again, using the feather option here, like this, and then you can press a check mark. And now once you're done with all these changes, you can press the play and you'll see that the video here is all playing together at the same time, creating a 3-layer video. All right, and this is gonna work for any videos that you are editing with. And of course, as always, if this guide helped you, like and sub.